Hi, I'm Deborah Boschert. Welcome to my studio and also to my virtual classroom. I'm super excited to tell you about the programming that I have to offer. Lectures, programs, workshops, and all kinds of other possibilities. And I'd also like to tell you a little bit about myself. So here I am. That's me. I am Deborah Boschert. And all of the information that I'm going to be sharing with you here today, you can find on my website at deborahstudio.com. And you can certainly drop me an email at deborahboschert@gmail.com. So I am an artist. I create art quilt collages layering fabric, paint, and stitching. And I have exhibited my work at quilt shows and galleries all over the world. I am also an author. That's my book, Art Quilt Collage, A Creative Journey in Fabric, Paint, and Stitch. And I am a teacher. I've been teaching for more than 10 years at events like the International Quilt Festival in Houston. And you may have seen me on Quilting Arts TV or The Quilt Show. So I offer art quilt collage workshops and programs both virtually and in person. And these are some of the programs that I offer. These are all detailed and explained on my website. So check out all of the further information there. Each of the programs are about 45 minutes long. I include tons of images of art quilts. I cover a variety of topics. And I always want to include a little bit of information about me, my process, materials and techniques, and inspiration. Plus, we have plenty of time for Q&A. I really strive to make my programs full of ideas and inspiration so that anyone, no matter what kind of quilts they make, are going to go back to their sewing room or studio with some new ideas. These are the workshops that I offer, and I also want to show you some examples of workshops so that you get a little bit of an idea of the process, materials, techniques, structure that I offer. Plus, I want to show you some images of the smiling faces of students that have been in my workshop in recent years and some of the cool creations that they have made. Now, all of these pictures are obviously in-person workshops, but I have found lots of really wonderful ways to simulate that in-person feeling in the virtual platform by sharing images and all kinds of really wonderful demos and examples and one-on-one interaction. I also offer kits for lots of my workshops, and we can talk about how those get ordered and what's included in all of those kits, which provide the student with the opportunity to just dive right into the creative process. So my workshops are all structured with really clear step-by-step instructions, but with lots of room for original creative expression. Simple materials, super results. And I always provide lots of super encouraging feedback, and we spend some time learning from each other. So we use the Zoom platform, and I include a combination of both pre-recorded and live demos. I use an additional platform for sharing of images so we can watch the in-process development of everyone's work throughout the day. Lots of one-on-one feedback, and all of my workshops include a PDF download with instructions and resources for all the students. So that's me. I am really looking forward to talking to you about an art quilt workshop or program for your group. It's always such an honor and a pleasure to have an opportunity to talk about creating art with fabric.